In the blink of an eye, the fintech revolution has transformed the financial landscape globally. This revolution, merging finance with technology, has overhauled traditional banking, ushering in an era of efficient financial services. Imagine this: managing finances, making payments, even investing in stocks are now a few taps on your smartphone away. It's not a forecast, but a reality unfolding now, is altering how we handle money, challenging norms, opening possibilities. At its heart is digital technology. Fueled by AI, big data, and blockchain, fintech companies deliver innovative solutions, driving economic growth and enhancing customer experience. We'll journey through fintech domains, digital payments, lending, insurance tech, regtech and subtech, robo-advisory, blockchain. We'll examine digital cards, international transfers, personal finance management, cryptocurrency, peer-to-peer lending. We'll analyze market size, regulatory compliances, challenges and opportunities, highlighting top global companies. We'll peek into the future of fintech, its potential value to consumers, and why it's the right time to start a fintech company. The fintech revolution awaits you. Digital payments, the sturdy foundation of the fintech industry. This dynamic sector is revolutionizing the way we transact, effortlessly surpassing traditional methods with its impressive size and scope. Predicted to have a global market value of $8 trillion by 2025, the potential is enormous. However, a significant hurdle is navigating regulatory compliance, from understanding data privacy laws to managing anti-money laundering directives. Any aspiring entrepreneur willing to delve into this sector needs to begin by drafting a comprehensive business plan. The next step is to assemble a skilled team to bring your vision to life. Following this, ensure that you have the necessary legal compliances and licenses in place before commencing operations. After these steps have been completed, you can proceed to develop a secure and user-friendly digital payment platform that aligns with the latest technological trends. Digital payment companies need to strike a balance between innovation and regulation. But remember, with challenges come opportunities. Profitability is a reality for global players like PayPal, Alipay, Paytm, Stripe, and Square. They have not only captured the market, but are also shaping the future of digital payments. The opportunities are plenty, from facilitating seamless cross-border transactions to enabling financial inclusion. The digital payments sector disruption. In the realm of digital payments, the future is already here. Digital lending, the new age solution to traditional loan systems. It's a burgeoning market, teeming with players carving their niche. Starting a venture in this domain involves a few critical steps. First, understanding the regulatory landscape. One primary concern is regulatory compliance. Laws for data protection and privacy are enforced to maintain transparency and protect customers' sensitive information. Next, you need to consider profitability. Lower overheads and a wider consumer base allow digital lenders potentially reap higher profit margins. Then comes the challenge of integrating technology and building customer trust. However, these obstacles also provide a chance for creativity and expansion. Additionally, you need to identify your unique selling proposition, something that sets your platform apart. Pioneers in this realm include Lending Club, Sophie, Avant, Prosper, and PaySense. Finally, it's about securing the necessary funding, building a strong team, and launching your platform. Remember, digital lending isn't merely a trend, it's a financial revolution. Insurance tech, regtech, and subtech, the new frontiers in fintech. These techs might seem complex, but they are essentially solutions to streamline the financial industry. To start a company in these domains, follow these steps. For example, InsurTech is more than just a $1 trillion industry. It aims to make insurance more accessible, affordable, and user-friendly. Supervisory technology, or subtech, which is the financial world's watchdog. It monitors financial institutions, ensuring equal opportunities, and makes oversight less intrusive and more efficient. 5. For key players in the market. Companies like Lemonade, Zhong'an, and Policy Bazaar are pioneering in InsurTech. Comply Advantage, Trulio, and IDFi are leading in the RegTech space. And in the subtech domain, we see Visor Software, Bearing Point, and Next Angles making strides. Complexities and market competition exist. The opportunities, nonetheless, are immense. These areas hold the potential to revolutionize the financial industry and are the building blocks of the new financial world order. Now, arm this roadmap, make your mark in these exciting domains. Buy now, pay later, robo-advisory, blockchain, and digital cards, the key players in the fintech sector. Buy now, pay later, or BNPL, a burgeoning payment solution, allows consumers to pay in installments. To start a BNPL business, you'll need to identify and understand your target market, comply with regulations in your chosen geography, and establish partnerships with financial institutions. Robo-advisory, an automated investment service, cuts down the cost of investment advice. Launching a robo-advisory company involves designing an intuitive digital platform, building a reliable algorithm, and earning customer trust by ensuring data security, and offering transparent services. Blockchain is known for enhancing transaction security and transparency. Starting a blockchain business requires in-depth technical knowledge, developing a unique blockchain solution, and managing regulatory challenges due to its decentralized cards, safer and more convenient than physical cards, are anticipated to grow significantly. Starting a digital card venture involves creating a secure platform, collaborating with banks and payment gateways, and implementing to prevent security breaches and fraud. The notable companies in these sectors include Afterpay and Zest Money in BNPL, Betterment and Zerodha in robo-advisory, Bitcoin and Ethereum in blockchain, and Apple Pay and PayZapp in digital cards. These domains are ripe with opportunities for determined entrepreneurs ready to face and overcome their challenges. The fintech revolution awaits those brave enough to innovate and disrupt. Do you dare to step? International money transfer, personal finance management, cryptocurrency, and peer-to-peer lending, the beating heart of the fintech revolution. Let's delve into how one can start a company in these domains. Firstly, in international money transfer, a colossal market with billions of dollars at stake annually. Giants like Western Union and India's EbixCash thrive. To begin your venture here, map out a detailed business plan, register your business legally, and obtain necessary licenses. Compliance with international regulations a must. Moving on to personal finance management, a sector that's burgeoning with a focus on data security and subscription-based profitability. Prospects like Mint and India's Perfios are making waves. To set a foot here, create an intuitive app aimed at helping users manage their finances, ensure data protection, and establish a viable business model. Next up, cryptocurrency, this volatile yet booming market, potentially worth trillions. Despite regulatory challenges, Coinbase and India's Unocoin are paving the path. Starting a business here would involve understanding the crypto ecosystem, ensuring legal compliance, building a secure platform, and gaining users' trust. Lastly, there's peer-to-peer lending, a sector predicted to touch hundreds of billions shortly. Here, both borrowers and lenders need protection. Firms like Lending Club and India's Faircent are pioneers. Launching a business will require a detailed understanding of the lending process, creating a trustworthy platform, borrower-lender protection. These domains are the pillars of the fintech revolution, ensuring it stands unshakable. Each of these areas unfolds unique opportunities for entrepreneurs ready to grapple the challenges and seize the opportunities presented, thus shaping the future of finance. The future of fintech, a world where finance and technology blend seamlessly. Imagine an age where financial tasks are simplified by technology. This is the vision of fintech, a complete overhaul of the financial ecosystem to serve all. How about starting a company in this exciting future? Step 1. Identify a niche in the fintech world. It could be digital payments, digital lending, insurance tech, regtech, subtech, or even something completely new. Step 2. Develop a unique solution, offers value, and solves a problem in this niche. Think about how you can make processes simpler, improve compliance, enhance supervision, offer flexible payments or secure transactions. Step 3. Build a prototype of your solution. This could be a new app, a software, or a platform. Step 4. Test your prototype with potential users and gather feedback. Use this feedback to refine and improve your solution. Step 5. Once you have a market-ready product, launch your company. Publicize your product and attract customers by highlighting its benefits and how it adds value to the fintech ecosystem. Picture digital payments already transforming transactions. The future is cashless, instant, and seamless, eliminating waiting and worries about exact change. Now, imagine your company contributing to this transformation. From fintech disrupting the buy now pay later, robo-advisory, blockchain, and digital card domains to faster remittances, assistance in personal finance management, and the democratization of digital currencies, your product could fit anywhere in this ecosystem. Investment in fintech startups has skyrocketed, reflecting its huge potential. The fintech revolution is not just about technology, it's about making life easier for everyone. The promise of fintech is a future worth striving for, and your company could be part of this promising the fintech revolution, a global phenomenon. This breaks free from the Silicon Valley and Wall Street's confines. A multitude of nations throughout the world hold the potential to fuel a fintech revolution, among them Singapore prominently. A regulatory framework that encourages innovation and a blossoming tech ecosystem exert a strong pull on fintech, like honey draws bees. Interested a company here? Register it with the Accounting Regulatory Authority and apply for a fintech license from the Monetary Authority of Singapore. Turning our gaze to the United Kingdom, London's stature as an international finance hub offers an ideal environment for fintech advancements. To start a fintech company in London, first register your company with Companies House, then apply for the necessary permissions from the Financial Conduct Authority. Transitioning to the east, China comes into the picture with its vast populace and burgeoning middle class, presenting fintech services with an enormous market. To get started, register your company with the State Administration for Industry and Commerce and apply for the necessary licenses from the People's Bank of China. India, with a digital-first perspective and an extensive population without banks, is a considerable untapped resource for fintech ventures. In order to start a fintech company in India, register your company with the Ministry of Corporate Affairs and apply for a fintech license from the Reserve Bank of India. Ending our global tour, we have the United States. It boasts mature financial markets and an innovation-rich culture, making it a fertile ground for fintech startups. To set up a fintech company in the US, incorporate your business at the state level, then register with the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network and apply for any necessary state-level licenses. East or west, the possibilities are, no matter where we look, opportunities for fintech are abundant. The fintech revolution is global, and the world is your playground. The fintech revolution, an opportunity, a challenge, and a promise for a better future. In our journey through the vast expanse of fintech, we've encountered digital payments, lending, and a host of other rapidly evolving domains. We've delved into insurance tech, RegTech, and SupTech, acknowledging their potential. We've navigated through innovative domains like buy now pay later and blockchain, discussing their impact. We've uncovered the transformative power of tech in international money transfer and personal finance management. Each domain presents unique challenges and opportunities. Regulatory compliance, market size. These are factors entrepreneurs must consider in the fintech arena, but the potential rewards are immense. We've seen how companies, including Indian ones, have leveraged fintech to drive growth. Every day, new technologies emerge, providing the tools to disrupt traditional finance and create something revolutionary. This is the right time to start a fintech company. Identified potential countries for the fintech revolution are places where innovation can ignite transformation. The fintech world is an ocean of opportunities. It's a challenging journey, but one that promises immense rewards. In the world of fintech, the only limit is your imagination. So let's ignite the spark of innovation and start the fintech revolution.